At MI Auto Times, we want our readers to learn about all GMC Michigan vehicles, such as the GMC Canyon. Powerful midsize capability with 3 engine choices ranging from a 2.9-liter to a 5.3-liter, there is a GMC Canyon for any purpose. Choose from a high-stance suspension package or a sport suspension package for added customization. Available features include Bluetooth capability, XM radio, and OnStar directions and connections. Learn more about the GMC Canyon by visiting our dealership ratings section to find a local dealer in your area.